Imagine if Swift could talk to the internet, like fluently. No awkward hand gestures, no online translator. Just smooth, straight-up data conversations. That's basically what Codable does. It's Swift's personal interpreter for JSON, plist, and more. And yes, it wears two hats at once. Let's unwrap it. At its core, Codable is just Swift being lazy in a good way. It's a type alias. Codable is shorthand for both encodable and decodable. So when your data goes out to the network or comes back in, Swift knows whether to encode or decode, like an undercover agent flipping their badge. Boom. You just gave Swift permission to serialize and deserialize this like a champ. Just like equatable, Codable gives you automatic synthesis if all your properties are themselves codable. Even with one non-codable property, you'll need to implement everything manually. This all-or-nothing approach can catch developers by surprise. It's like Swift is saying, "I got this, no worries." But the second you throw in something weird, Swift goes, "Nope, that's on you." You'll need to implement your own init from and encode to. Sometimes the keys in your JSON don't match your property names. Maybe your API still lives in 2009. No biggie. Just write your own CodingKeys enum and translate like a boss. With this approach, you can map product name to the string product_name in JSON without writing any custom encoding or decoding logic. The Swift compiler uses your CodingKeys enum to figure out the mapping. Nested JSON? Swift's got containers for that. Dates in weird formats? Use JSON decoder.date decoding strategy. But here's something not everyone knows. You can navigate this hierarchy without fully modeling it. You can customize decoders to handle just about anything, from snake case to ISO 8601 madness. That's Swift being flexible, like yoga for data. But here's the real talk. Codable is a protocol, not a magician. It doesn't know how to encode closures, functions, or random types like any. If it doesn't conform, it won't fly. Use it where it makes sense. Model objects, DTOs, and structs you send over the wire. While JSON is the most common use case, Codable was designed to be universal. It works seamlessly with property lists, custom binary formats, core data, CloudKit records, SQLite, with extensions. The protocol-based design means you can write your data model once and serialize it to any format that has a corresponding encoder-decoder. Ever needed to encode a Swift type manually? You can. Use JSON encoder and boom, you get JSON from your structs like a snackable API response. Who needs Postman when your models are already fluent? So here's your TLDR sticky note. Codable equals encodable plus decodable. Auto-synthesized, most of the time. Customizable with CodingKeys and decoding strategies. Not for every type, don't force it. Codable may seem like just a way to handle JSON, but it's actually a powerful tool for data transformation of all kinds. From simple auto-synthesis to complex custom implementations, it gives you the flexibility to handle real-world data challenges. That was Codable. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and keep biting.